Like.
Okay, so this is this is our second take. So this is the Rubik's Cube deal. I'm going to film Steven with this nice new haircut. And we're going to film him and see how fast he can do this. So when you're ready, I mixed it up as much as I could. So let's see how this works out. Ready, set, go.
Right.
Go.
Okay.
Let's see. Pan back so you can get the whole handsome look. I tried to throw him off his game by talking trash from the bench, but he's pretty good. There we go.
Yeah, it's really easy.
It's really easy. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're at 31 seconds, so don't need to start crying now. All right. Look at the veins popping out of his forehead. Huh? You're pretty good. Getting her done. Huh? I don't know. You got an itch?
Yeah.
You pulling something out of your sleeve there? Cheating? That's what you're doing. No. All right, no pressure here, but you're at about 1 minute and 6 seconds. I mixed it up pretty good this last time.
Faster. I really don't think that really matters.
Sure it does. I mixed it up good.
Because the way I do this is I'm almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah, I used the yellow as my white.
You better hurry up. You'll be under 2 minutes.
Oh, I'm so close.
Oh, he's going to drop the ball, folks. I'm talking trash from the bench, getting him a little nervous, ladies and gentlemen. That's not done.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Turn it around. There you go. Okay, that's good. You did. Under 2 minutes. Good job, handsome.